Hello everyone, friends. In this video, I will show you how to register with the Exness broker using your mobile phone. We will do everything step by step. Repeat all my actions and feel free to pause the video as needed. To become partner of the broker, you need to go to the description below this video, follow the link, and you will be redirected to a website like this where you need to create your account. So in the top right corner, select create an account and then fill in the empty fields. At the top, we specify the country. Next, we enter our active email address and then come up with a password. There is a partner code at the bottom. This means it's a partner link. If you came here through the video, it would be great if you support me by entering my partner code. This is what it looks like. Next, check the box if it isn't already checked and click the continue button. So our dashboard has loaded. This is what it looks like. What do we see? On the main screen, we see that there are accounts, there are trading accounts, and we can open a trading account by clicking open an account, select this gray rectangle. Next, the broker asks us to choose the type of account. There is the first standard account with a minimum deposit of $10. There's the standard cent account with a minimum deposit of $10. The Pro and Raw spread accounts specifically require a minimum deposit of $200. Which effectively means that starting from the Pro account tier, the absolute minimum amount required to begin trading is indeed $200. And finally, there is the Zero account. Let's open the first standard account. Click Continue. Next, we choose whether this will be a real or a demo account. At the top, in the upper line, we need to select which currency we will be trading with, that is, which currency will be displayed for us. Let's go with the standard and choose the dollar. We'll also give this trading account a name. Max leverage refers to the trading leverage or credit leverage. Well, let's set it to 1 to 2000. Next, select the MT5 platform. And we need to come up with a password. This is necessary so that you can connect to the trading terminal. And then we create the account. Click on this yellow rectangle. And next, after we've created the trading account, we need to go through verification. So at the top, we see a yellow rectangle and click on it, complete profile. Next, we are prompted to confirm our email, verify our mobile phone, and provide additional information. To do this, you need to select the yellow rectangle, enter your mobile phone number. I've already verified my email in advance. We receive a message in our email, enter this code and click next. And then we're shown that we need to fill in the empty fields. This is your information, your first name, last name, patronymic and date of birth. Next field, the city where you are registered and your gender. And click next. Next, as usual, the broker offers a few questions to assess your trading experience. Well, this is just a standard procedure, so you don't need to worry too much about how you answer. If you're interested, you can translate the questions and put in your own, let's say, correct answers. After answering a few questions, the broker will ask you to upload your documents. Enter your name and click the yellow rectangle labeled Upload Documents. Choose the document you prefer. I usually choose my passport. Take a photo of it and click Submit. After that, we need to wait a bit for our verification to be approved. And once it's approved, you can fund your deposit. To fund your deposit, go to the top left, select Deposit, and choose your preferred funding method. I usually fund my account with cryptocurrency, so I'll choose Tether USDT TRC20. Next, a code will be generated for me, but right now I can't do it because my verification hasn't been approved yet. A code will be generated, and that's where I'll send my money. After funding your deposit, you can start trading, and to do that, you need to download the trading terminal. I use MetaTrader 5, and I opened my trading account specifically for this terminal. But in order to connect the trading account to this terminal, we need to select the account we opened. Up here at the very top of the screen, there's a clear arrow, and it precisely shows us all the necessary information where we absolutely need to carefully select the login credentials and then securely copy them. Now let's proceed to go into the terminal application, then diligently select the new account option, and finally meticulously find the specific broker, which is Exness. Here it is at the very bottom, Exness. enter your login, and type in the password you saved when creating the account. Friends, subscribe to this channel, there will be a lot of useful and interesting content here. See you next time.